Okay, am I recording? Okay, guys. So I was recording a video. I wasn't going to post it. I don't know why it just didn't feel right. It was about Ultimate Freeze. So the thing said this present, like there's a way that I was able to see when it's going to open. It said it was going to open in 55 hours, or I think I read it wrong. Yeah, I read it wrong. But yeah, I read the thing wrong, I think. So now we're going to see what's inside the coal fire present. Let's see what's in there. Ooh, okay. That was all? Okay. What was that? What in the heck was that? Okay, we got. Hold up. So we got 2 launch presents. Okay. So that's weird. I'm completely disappointed in that.